Since you were young, you always wanted to buy your dream car, but you just didn't have enough money. So you just always used to see your dream car on TV, you always see your dream car on the internet, but you just don't have it. But what you don't know is that people are taking advantage of the secret I'm about to show you, and they're actually buying some really nice cars and buying some nice things for themselves, because this online secret that I'm going to show you is just so easy to do. It's just really easy to do, and you don't really need any experience to do this, and you can save a lot of money and buy yourself something really nice. All you need to do is watch this video all the way to the end. Make sure you don't skip the video, because every part of the video is very important. I need to explain to you step by step what you need to do, and it's absolutely free. You don't have to pay any money to do this, and it's available worldwide. So if you're in Africa, Australia, Asia, Europe, South America, you can all get access to this opportunity. Now, before I show you this great strategy, please subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click that red button that says subscribe. It's absolutely free. You don't have to pay any money to subscribe, and click on that notification bell. Turn the notification bell on so that every time I upload my new videos, you will easily just get a notification on your phone or on your computer. So go onto YouTube and type something like lose weight fast. Just type that in search. So it's going to provide you with a bunch of different videos that have to do with losing weight. So it's basically different videos that have to do with losing weight. Some videos have 1 million views, 4.5 million views, 7.4 million views. So what you want to do is you want to click, for example, on this video, then it will take you to the video over here, and then you want to click share, and you want to click on copy this link over here. This is the link of the video. Click on that, make sure that it's copied. Now that it's copied, you want to go onto a website called shrinkme.io. So shrinkme.io is a place where you can shorten your URL links. So these video links that we just copied, we want to shorten it on shrinkme.io, and then we're going to get paid when people click on our link. Now you can decide to get your money in different methods: PayPal, Payoneer, Bitcoin, or just simply directly to your bank account. It's all up to you. So the first thing you will need to do, you need to register. Click on register over here. It will take you here, then just put in your username, email address, password. Repeat your password. Just click on I'm not a robot and agree to the terms of use, and then register. Or you can just sign in with your Google account. So when you have your account over here, it's going to look, this is your dashboard over here. It's going to look something like this. So it's going to show you different things on your dashboard, and what you'll notice is that they're going to give you $1 just for signing up. So you just get an extra $1 bonus just for signing up. Now what you need to do is you want to click on new shorten link over here. So now the link that we just copied, you need to paste that. Then click on shorten. Then it's going to give you a shortened link over here. As you can see, this is the link over here. So you want to copy that. And for now, you want to put it somewhere. So I've created a Word document, and I'm going to paste that link over here. Okay, just make sure you just paste that link somewhere. Now, the second thing you want to do is you want to go back and choose a different video. You want to choose a different video. For example, 6 simple ways to lose a little weight. Click on that. It's going to take you over here. Click on share, copy, then go back onto over here, then shorten this one. So now it's going to give you a different link. then copy that, then paste it somewhere as well. Now, what you want to do now, go and find the last video. We're just going to do 3 videos for now. So for example, 15 simple ways to lose weight in 2 weeks. So we want to click on that. So when you get onto this video, then you want to copy this URL again. So now do the same thing again, paste it, shorten it. It's going to give you a shortened link over here, and then just find somewhere to paste it. Okay, so how does shrinkme.io basically work? Let me explain to you how you're going to get paid. So there are different countries that you can see over here. There's Greenland, Ireland, Belgium, United States, United Kingdom, Canada, New Zealand, and so on and so forth. So now, every time somebody clicks on your link and that person is coming from Greenland, you're going to get $22. If somebody clicks on your link, which means on that video, and they're in Australia, you're going to get $6 every time they click on it. If somebody is from the UK, you get $7. If somebody is from Spain, you get $4. If somebody is from Brazil, you get $3.50. If somebody is in Ireland, you get $16. So, which means that every single time people click on your link, depending on where they're coming from, you're going to get different amounts of money. So you need to actually find a place where you can actually share your video links for people to click on them, so that you can get money for people to click on them. So basically, the links you just copied and shortened over here, they're the exact same videos. The exact same videos, number 1, number 2, number 3, but just that the links are different because they've been shortened by shrinkme.io. So now every time people decide to click on these links to get to your videos, they'll get to the exact same videos, but this time you're going to get paid. So I've created a template for you to use. It looks like this. There are many ways to lose weight out there. There are tons of diet plans that leave you feeling hungry, in need of more food. I therefore went online to search around the internet to find the best ways to lose weight online. To lose weight quickly. Here are 3 great videos to watch for free that will help you to lose weight absolutely quickly. So you're going to provide 3 videos down here. These are the 3 links. So these are the 3 links that people must click on in order for you to make your money. So what is making this catchy is that you're saying that 3 videos to watch for free. They're going to watch it for free, but you're going to get paid every time they actually click on the links. And depending on where they're coming from, you get different amounts. So that is what you need to do. This is how you make money from sharing people's videos. So now what you want to do is you want to go onto a forum. The website is called findaforum.net. Findaforum.net. So now there are forums on different categories where people discuss about different topics. For example, arts. You see here in health, there's art and literature, business and economy, computers and internet, family and home, news and media, music, sports, and so on and so forth. So if you decided to use this strategy I'm showing you, and maybe you don't want to do something that has to do with lose weight fast the way I did, and you want to search a different topic, you want to choose a forum that corresponds exactly to the topic that you've used. I just used health because it's really working. A lot of people are trying to lose weight out there, and it's actually something that is a necessity. So as you can see over here, you go over here and you click on dieting and weight loss. So you want to click on that so that it provides you with different forums that have to do with dieting and weight loss. As you can see over here, we already have 186,000 members. Yeah, 153,000 members. 219,000 posts. So over here, you want to just go onto this forum and you want to copy this or write a different script of your own, make it nice and interesting, and then just post it there. So people will see that, hey, the 3 videos are free to watch. So they'll just click on it and they're going to eventually end up on the same videos that are on YouTube. So the first video, the first link will take them here. The second one will take them over here. The third one will take them over here. But they're watching it for free. But because the links have been shortened by shrinkme.io, you are going to get money, and your total views are going to be shown here. Your total earnings are going to be shown here, and your referral earnings, if you want to refer people over here, you get money for that as well. So it's up to you what you want to do. So it's all going to be shown over here. And a moment you've just got $3, you can already withdraw, which means that you don't have to wait for it to get to like $10 or $100 in order to withdraw. A moment this reaches $3, you can decide to withdraw it if you really need $3 urgently to do something. So that's basically how you make your money for sharing videos. It's absolutely easy to do. Yeah, so that's basically all I wanted to show you today. I hope it makes sense, and if you have any questions concerning this, make sure you comment your questions down below in the comment section. And yeah, I hope it's not too confusing. Just comment your questions so that you can get more clearance on what you don't understand. And please like the video if you haven't already. Subscribe to the AD Money channel right now if you haven't as well. And please like the video. I would really appreciate that. And thank you so much for watching. And cheers.